Okay, let's do our last example for today. So let's do this worded problem. So it says Roberta enjoys water skiing and is about to try a new ramp on the why do I do my life so difficult? Hawkesbury River. The inclined ramp rises 1.5 meter above the water level and spans a horizontal distance of 6.4 meters. What is the magnitude or size of the angle that the ramp makes with the water? Give the answer correct to the nearest degree. Okay, so I'm being asked by the angle that the ramp makes with the water, and I need to do it to the nearest degree. Fantastic. Okay, so first step with worded problems, always define the pronumeral. So the first thing is I'm going to call it alpha. Let alpha be the angle that the ramp makes with the water. So I have a diagram that I can use. I'm going to write it down here. So I have my triangle. This is my right angle. It says that the height is going to be 1.5 meters. And this length here is 6.4 meters. And the angle that the ramp makes with the water is this one here. So this one is going to be alpha. Now I'm going to label it. So the opposite side is going to be the 1.5 meters. And then the adjacent side is going to be 6.4. Okay, now I have to identify the trigonometric ratio that I'm going to be using. So katoa. So I know that I'm going to be using tangent. So let's do it here. So tan of alpha is going to be equal to opposite over adjacent, which is 1.5 over 6.4. Great. So to find alpha, I will need to do the inverse operation of tan. So I have to do the inverse operation of tan of 1.5 over 6.4. Okay, let's go to our CAS. And we're going to do trigonometry. Tan inverse tan of what it was? 1.5 over 6.4. Control Enter. And it says to the nearest degrees, so it has to the nearest unit, so it's going to be 13 because the next decimal place is 1, so it's going to be 13.13, just 13. So alpha is equal to 13 degrees. Now our last step is to state our answer in full sentence. So let therefore the angle that the ramp makes with the water, the angle that the ramp makes with the water. You have no idea how crazy this thing is doing. This looks awful. With the water is 13 degrees, and that's my final answer. Okay, girls, thank you for watching. I hope you find this useful.